How's it going? Thank you for visiting my page, Adler here. Today's video, I really wanted to talk about my experience as an options trader, right? So I first got introduced to options trading back in 2009, where Thinkorswim was having a conference, right? Introducing people how to trade options, stock market trading or whatnot. There was a lot of information there, a lot of different packages and education that they sold to us if we wanted. So it was back in '09, one of my colleagues who worked in the office with us, of course, signed us up to go to this Thinkorswim conference down in Jacksonville. So we all went, and then we loved it, and at that time, I was not introduced to options. I didn't even know what options trading was. So therefore, this was something brand new to me. But prior to that, I've been in the stock market. I've been in the stock market trading. And so this was, options trading seemed easy. It's like you put some money into contracts, and then depending if the stock goes up or down, then you can make a lot of money. It was quick. With anything that is quick like that, there's always risk, and options trading is very risky. So therefore, I honestly would not recommend that a newbie who has never who was recently introduced to the stock market would get into options trading. Now, you can get lucky sometimes, make a lot of money if you don't know what you're doing, and you could also lose a lot of money if you don't know what you're doing at the same time. Honestly, it's just the risk of losing a lot of money that I tend to just stay away from it. The individual that does my taxes, when I told him, I used to do options trading, it was you win some, you lose some. You really have to know what you're doing at the time and kind of predict where the market is going. Kind of like at the back in March, when the market took a deep dive, that would have been a good time to buy puts in these companies, because it's almost predictable where the market was going to go because of COVID-19 and all that stuff with the shutdown, the economy going down. That's a little more predictable behavior of where the stock market was going to go. However, it's not something that I would recommend that you do long term, because like I said, it's highly risky, and you have to know exactly what you're doing. So that's why I stick to just stock investing, because I enjoy reading the news on companies, checking out their earnings report, and seeing where these companies can go and the potential that they have, and therefore holding those companies long term in order to make a profit, sometimes double, triple, quadruple my investment. Because, over the long term, companies, the stock market goes up, even though it has gone down. I mean, as we can see, back in March, the stock market took a deep dive. And right now, I mean, a lot of companies are really at their 52 weeks highs, so, with the stocks, you don't give in it. You don't give up. You just buy more when it goes down. So, and of course, a lot of people will tell you that. But that's all I wanted to share, is my experience with the options trading. Thank you again for watching. It's Adler here. All right. Bye.